Think you need to solve this integral before you can differentiate? Think again. Today we're using the Leibniz rule to solve this in seconds. The rule says plug the upper limit into the function and multiply by its derivative. Then subtract the same thing for the lower limit. It's basically the chain rule for integrals. First, let's identify our pieces. Our function is f of t equals 5t squared. Our upper limit is b of x equals x cubed. And our lower limit is a of x equals sine of x. And so we're going to take the derivative of each one of these, and we get b prime x equals 3x squared, a prime x equals cosine x. Now we just plug and play. We're going to substitute it in and multiply. So we have 5 times x cubed quantity squared times 3x squared minus 5 times sine of x squared times cosine x. We simplify the powers. Cubed squared is to the 6th. Multiply that by squared and we get to the 8th. And there it is. No messy integration required, just pure logic and the power of the fundamental theorem of calculus. Drop a comment if you want to see this rule applied to even messier functions. See you next time.